Hello students, hope you are doing well. So now we are going to prepare another 3D CAD model, also apply material steel to this and export it into at least 2D view and with proper dimension. So you can see this is the slot. If you prepare this slot 56 by 18 mm, okay. So it will you can easily extrude this. So let's prepare this sketch on this right plane. View normal to sketch plane. So here line you can see from bottom. So this is trim. So this is unwanted portion. Give the dimensions. So I will say it is symmetric. This edge in this edge symmetric about this. This edge and this edge is symmetric about this. Give the dimensions. So this is 6 mm and this is 18 mm and coincident. This should be coincide with this. Say this dimension. This is 32 and this dimension between these two is 56. Okay, show constraints. So if we delete some of the constraint, automatically we can get the our object. Next, extrude this, select this, symmetric 75 mm, depth is given. Next, sketch, select the plane, normal to sketch plane, circle from this. The diameter is 12 because they have given two holes, and distance from this is 15 mm and distance from this to this 28. Okay, that is already okay. Line, construction line, this to this. Mirror, select the mirror line, select the entity. Done. Extrude, select the sketches. Extrude, select sketch. Okay, so here remove. Okay, now next is that now next we have to draw the sketch. So here sketch on this plane. No, first we are going to draw the sketch on this top plane. Okay, I will draw. Take a plane from this bottom at a distance of 63 mm because that is given in diagram. So this is 63 mm and this 63 mm we are going to construct this. So on this sketch, view normal to sketch plane, circle from this. So give the dimension to this. So its dimension is 22. Here it says 36. Okay, distance of this to this is 100 mm and distance of this to this is what is given 36. So 36 mm. Okay, and this to this distance is say 12, and this to this distance is 6. It is symmetric. Trim the unwanted, trim it. Done. Now you can extrude this, extrude, apply the material, the reverse direction. Its depth is 25 mm. Okay. Now next portion is sketch. Okay. So here we have to sketch on this plane. View normal to sketch plane. Okay, here we can rotate it. Line. Coincident. This point should be coincident with this. Okay. This point should be coincident with this. This point should be coincident with this. And this point should be coincident with this edge. Now it is completed. Okay. Now we can apply the extrude. Select this. Symmetric and thickness is 12 mm. Okay. So now so this object is completed. So we are going to apply the Boolean operation. 1, 2, 3. And now we are going to hide these parts. Okay. Now here we can apply the material, measure the surface area. Surface area. You can select this. It will be the total surface area. We can apply the material. Assign material. 300 stainless series stainless steel. And next is we can export this view into 4 views, orthographic views, 3 orthographic view and 1 isometric. Give the dimensions. So here we have so we can complete it. So I think all the dimensions are completed. Thank you.